what's going on, guys? It's Jay, that drain guy. We're in a washroom today in an apartment building, and we got a plugged toilet. We're going to be using the auger 6 foot from Rigid, and we're going to get this thing cleared out. When you're working with the auger, you always want to make sure you spin it clockwise and not counterclockwise, because the cable could kink up inside the bar. I'll go in again. Alright, now we're just going to let it fill up and show you guys that it's flushing well. And here we go. I'm an advocate of always holding the handle all the way down until all the water's gone. That way you get a full flush. So thank you guys for watching till the end, if you did. And well, if you didn't, I guess you wouldn't hear this anyway. So until next time, this has been Jay, that drain guy, signing out. Trogna.